this session we are going to learn batch wise accounts in Tally. Okay, for this batch wise accounts, first we should enable one feature. To enable that, just go press F11, then go to inventory features, and here maintain in batch wise details we should here set here yes. Okay, then save. After saving this, just go to inventory info, stock. First we should create the stock group, shares, and the measurement of stock group is numbers, and here we are purchasing shares of Satyam and we are also selling the shares of Satyam. Here this is our stock. We are purchasing Satyam, Apollo and Post shares and we are also selling the same. That means this is our stock. We should make stock here the shares, and here we are purchasing shares of Satyam each at the rate each one 151 and the first time, and second time again we are purchasing the same product Satyam shares each one 141. The product is same but the rate was different. For these accounts we should make different batches for different rates. For that, here maintain in batches we should set here yes. Okay, and also for maintain batches yes. Then next go to accounting vouchers. First one we are purchasing, see we are purchasing 20 shares of Satyam each one 151 each, means we are purchasing for cash not on credit. Okay, just assume reference number something else. Here we are purchasing from cash. Purchase ledger purchase, and here we are purchasing shares of Satyam. Here we should make the list of active batches. Present there are no batches. Now we are making batches for Satyam shares. Select here new number and enter Satyam @151. The batch name is Satyam @151. Here we are purchasing 20 shares each one 151. 20 shares, the rate per is 151. Okay, and here and publish and see again we are purchasing 35 shares of Satyam at the rate 140. We should make separate batch for this also. Shares of Satyam, new number Satyam @149. We are purchasing 35. Rate is 149. Okay, undo for same for all. We are purchasing 1000 shares of Apollo. Apollo rate is 152. We should here Apollo. Okay. Here they are purchasing 1000 each one 52. Again we are purchasing Apollo @48. We are purchasing 1550 quantity. Rate per each one is 48. Post @ we are purchasing 100 shares each one 35. Post @ 35. Easy to understand, that's why I am giving the 35 rate. We are purchasing 100, each one 35. Again both shades we are purchasing 150, each one 28. We are purchasing 150, each one 28. This is the purchase entry of batch wise accounts. And next, sales. Just save this. To get sales voucher, press F8 or click on here, sales. Sales, we are selling. First, we are selling sold 20 shares of Satyam, each one 150 each. Here, select here Satyam. Look here, we are purchased 2 times. Satyam at the rate of 114, on that time we are purchased 35, and again we are purchased Satyam at the rate 151. The stock is 20 numbers we are purchased. One time we are purchased 35 number, each one 149. Again we are purchased 20 numbers, each one 149. The present the market value is 150. We should sell for 150. Now we can select here the 149. Then we can sold for that 150. Then we can get 1 rupee profit. That's why we should select here 149. When we are selecting 151, the time we can get loss of 1 rupee. Means the market value is 150. That's why we should select here 149. Present selling quantity 20 numbers, each one 150. And same for all. Next we are selling here Apollo tires is 49.50. We are purchased 2 times, each one 52 and each one 48. Now the each one rate is 49.50. For that we should select here this batch. Then we can get 1.50 paisa profit. Apollo tires. Here we are having 2 batches in the name of Apollo. We purchased 48 each and 52 each. The present the market value is 49. That's why we should select here 48. Then we can get 1.50 paisa profit. Present selling quantity is 550. The market rate is 49.50. Okay. And next for same for Boston Loam shares. We are having 2 batches in the name of Boston Loam. Look here, we are purchased 2 times from Boston Loam shares, each one 35, each one 28. The present the market value of Boston Loam shares is 32. We can sold this batch, then we can get 4 rupees profit. When we are selecting this batch, we can get 3 rupees loss. Okay, and look here, we should select this batch 28. Now we are selling 150. Market rate is 32. Okay, this is done. If you want to see the reports, press back, then go to here stock summary. Here the shares contains 3 elements here: Apollo shares, Boston Loam shares, Satyam shares. The value is the closing stock is 205. And look here, he is asking calculate the closing stock using the batch wise stock. Batch wise stock. If you want to see the batch wise stock, go to here stock summary, then press enter and then press alt plus F1. If you want to see batch wise reports, just press alt F1. Okay, here this is. Thank you.